Hey everyone! Today's super exciting. I've just got this surprise package and can't wait to discover what's inside with you all. And here it is, the Tisscare foot massager. There's been so much buzz about this incredible gadget, and now it's finally in my hands. I'm thrilled to find out if it really lives up to its rave reviews. I absolutely adore the concept of a soothing foot massage, especially now, as the winter chill sets in. This could not have come at a better time. There's nothing like the comfort of a warm, relaxing massage to unwind after busy days, right? I must give a huge shout out to the amazing person who sent this. You truly knew what I needed. Thank you. Now, let's put this Tisscare foot massager to the ultimate test. It's specially designed to offer both massage and warmth, a combination that seems like a dream for my often cold and aching feet. Self-care is my mantra, and this looks like the perfect addition to my daily relaxation routine.